Hey, what's up guys, it's Ike Paz, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to make money on Amazon KDP. I reveal how to use ChatGPT, how to use it in multiple markets, the best tips and tricks going forward. Also, if you want to earn online with the same tactics I use on Amazon KDP, make sure you check out the information down below. Sign up below and you get my free KDP crossword method and keyword list for free. Okay, let's begin. At the time of making this video, ChatGPT is blowing up. It's free to use at the time of making this video, and it can do a ton of things. Too much to cover in this video. But I want to talk about something specifically that I've been doing to actually earn money on Amazon KDP, okay? So, first thing I want you to look at is this operation. Now, if you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's basically an AI that you can ask it to get information and compile it for you for free. And it will source data, it will write code for you, it will write content for you. It's an amazing tool. And right now it's 100% free at the time of making this video. So what I did was, I like to make these crossword puzzles, one of the different types of books I create for Amazon KDP. And the crossword puzzles are really cool, but one of the things you have to do is source the information, source the content that you put into this software to create these books. Well, this is where ChatGPT comes in. I have this really cool operation here that my prompt, I should say, not an operation, prompt, where I tell exactly what I want ChatGPT to do. So here I have, can you create 8 short clues and answers about ancient Egypt using this format? And the format is answer, semicolon, short clue. Now, why this exact niche? Well, if I go to Amazon, right here, you see all these autofill keywords: crossword puzzle book for adults, kids, seniors, all types of crossword puzzle books, okay? Now, if I put history in the front, and there's tons of these different little crossword puzzle niches that you can go after, you'll see that you'll find, for example, history is one of the big ones. And you can even go you can even niche down and talk about certain types of periods in history, certain wars, certain people, and create whole crossword books around these different sub niches within this market. Okay, so just for example's sake, I'm gonna take this exact prompt that I created. You can, by all means, pause the video and write this down. And I'm gonna write it down. Can you create 8 short clues and answers about ancient Egypt using this format? Now, this format, answer, semicolon, short clue, is how you input information into this tool. Okay, I'll have more information about this tool down below. Just sign up, you'll get access to that. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to do this right now. So I'm going to click go ahead, and ChatGPT is going to dish out the information I want, right? So here we are. Here are 8 short clues and answers about ancient Egypt. Giza, the famous pyramid complex, is located. So here we have the answer and the solution. This is exactly what I want. I'm going to take this, copy it, and I'm going to write it down in here, just like that. Now I can go ahead, take this exact prompt and put in another more specific piece of information. So I'm gonna put the Rosetta Stone here. Take the Rosetta Stone, copy that, put it in. Instead of ancient Egypt, I'm gonna switch it with Rosetta Stone and click this little go button, and here we go. It spits out more hints and clues that I can use to create my crossword puzzle book. Instead of going out hiring someone to do this or doing it myself, I have this little tool that does it for me. Isn't that really neat? Now I'm going to show you how I actually take this information and create a puzzle book. Again, I'm going to dump it in here. Okay, I'm going to actually put in a title. Now, each of these blocks of information equals to 1 puzzle page. So you want at least 24. Okay, at least 24. But for example's sake, I'm just going to show you this right here. I'm going to take this notepad. I'm going to save it as Egypt. And now what I'm going to do is go into the instant puzzle generator, click create crossword, and put Egypt here as my project name. Go to view, click upload, and I'm going to upload the file I just created under downloads, and I'm going to find it right here, Egypt. And here we go. You see, it not only creates, well, let me fix that real quick. And not only does it create the actual puzzle, but it creates the answer key as well, which is, again, really cool stuff. Just like that. Here's another one, and there's the solutions, okay, which is, again, very cool. Okay, so once you're done, again, you should have at least 24 pages, 24 of these blocks of information, plus the answers, okay? So that creates one book that you can actually upload to Amazon KDP. And let me show you one of the books I'm creating right now. You just download it right here. One of the books I'm creating right now is this, again, something to do with history. And I'm using this tool plus Chat GPT to create the inputs and the puzzles for this book that I'm going to put out. Again, really cool stuff, really easy to do. And Chat GPT, I can't say that for the life of me, is making it really easy for me. Instead of paying someone on Fiverr to do it for me or doing it myself, I can get it done really quick. Again, if you want to learn how I profit online with Amazon KDP, make sure you check out this link down below. Let me know what you think. Have a great day. Be good. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe.